Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a big, heavy box from Tammy Powley at Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley. And Tammy is a friend of mine. I really like Tammy, and I love her channel. And she also hosts the virtual Blythe, what does she call it? I want to say convention, but that's
Retreat.
not right. Retreat. That's right. And I've enjoyed that for 2 years, and I'm looking forward to her announcing the third year, what everything's going to be, the dates and the theme and all that. It'll be coming soon. I can't believe it is already almost Thanksgiving. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, wow. Look at this fabric. My goodness. Oh, hold up. This is wrapped in a pattern. Well, that's different, Tammy. That's kind of a great idea. Okay, I'm going to have to pull this very carefully. There's a note in the bottom.
Or the top if you'd open the other side.
Yeah. Oh, okay, here's Tammy's card, Peace Craft Dolls. Only this one I think is, Peace Craft Love Dolls. I think that's the old channel name. I don't know. Enjoy, Tammy. Well, let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. 4th of July, I am always making items for 4th of July. Boy, this would make a cute quilt if I was so inclined. Wow, that's fantastic. Look at all these colors. Tammy, thank you. I mean, there are, oh my goodness. And you know what else? You cut that down just a little bit more and you can make a midi gathered skirt out of that. And if it were a longer gathered skirt, it's already cut. Wow, that's very cool. And that's not all of the fabric. Let me see what this is. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's got monkeys on it. Oh, look at the monkey. Oh, that's adorable. Thank you, Tammy. Look at this guy on a pogo stick. Sock monkey on a pogo. I love whimsical stuff like that. And then here's bigger pieces that match the smaller pieces. You know what you could do too? This could be a Blythe top, summer top, like bikini or halter top. And this, you could cut this in half and make 2 skirts out of it. That is fantastic. And then there is something else in here. Let me see. I want
empty box, baby.
Okay. I want to open very carefully. Trying to decide which end is best to open. You know, I guess I'm going to have to. I don't want to cut. I'm going to cut. It says Jenny, but I never go by what a box says because you never know. I used to reuse boxes all the time. She's on roller skates. Oh, Tammy knows. I love a doll on roller skates. Look at this. She works for a old hamburger place that used to bring you your food on roller skates. My daughter-in-law actually worked at, let me think, what was it called? We have one here in town. I can't think what they're called.
Oh, I can't either.
Where she wore her roller skates and served cars. God, what did they used to call those? Not car jacks.
Car hops?
Car hops, yeah. She even has her original brush and comb. Oh, Tammy, this is adorable. Thank you so much. Oh, you know I love a doll on roller skates. That is so cute. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. There is a link to Tammy's channel if you look below. You can go and subscribe to her channel, watch her videos, and find out more information on the virtual Blythe retreats. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.